The memory of 4 young flyers who died in a training accident in World War II is being revived by a dedicated group of strangers. They've spent 2 years restoring a forgotten memorial to the men after stumbling across the place where they crashed at Mount Torbreck in the high country near Eildon 75 years ago.
For 2 years, they've battled appalling conditions.
It's as tough as it gets. Like, we've had all sorts of weather here. We've had snow, hail, sleet, gale force winds.
To open up a memorial for 4 young lives lost.
These guys were our defenders, defending our freedom, so we need to remember their sacrifice.
In 1940, this Avro Anson on a training mission slammed into Mount Torbreck, killing 22-year-old pilot Tony Daniel and his 3 crew. A memorial was built and forgotten until these hikers stumbled on it 73 years on, overgrown, neglected.
I just felt an overwhelming urge that I needed to do something about it.
So they cleared a track to the cairn and recovered and mounted the only remaining piece of wreckage, the engine.
We're doing something that will ensure that these guys' memory lives on.
Across the country, the niece of pilot Tony Daniel is overwhelmed by this kindness of total strangers.
I think it's just awesome. I'm just so pleased that they're doing this. It's lovely.
In January, Diana and members of her family will walk the gruelling 2.5 kilometres up this newly cleared track for the official reopening of the memorial.
I am really blown away by all this. We just thought it was another lost story.
Nick McCallum, 7 News.
Wonderful work.